go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I open the refrigerator. I open the refrigerator. I take 2 eggs. I take 2 eggs. I put them on the kitchen counter. I put them on the kitchen counter. I wash the eggs under water. I wash the eggs under water. I want them clean. I want them clean. Next, I take the toast. I take the toast. I put the toast in the toaster. I put the toast in the toaster. I press the button. I press the button. I wait, the toast becomes golden and hot. I wait, the toast becomes golden and hot. It smells very good. It smells very good. I put a little oil in the pan. I put a little oil in the pan. I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I heat the oil before cracking the eggs. I heat the oil before cracking the eggs. I crack the eggs into the pan. I crack the eggs into the pan. I watch them carefully. I watch them carefully. I like soft eggs. I like soft eggs. I wait a few minutes. I wait a few minutes. The eggs are ready. The eggs are ready. I turn off the stove. I turn off the stove. I put the toast on a plate. I put the toast on a plate. I put the eggs next to the toast. I put the eggs next to the toast. I take a knife. I take a knife. I put butter on the toast. I put butter on the toast. I sprinkle a little salt on the eggs. I sprinkle a little salt on the eggs. I take a fork and a knife. I take a fork and a knife. I eat the eggs. I eat the eggs. They are soft and warm. They are soft and warm. I take a bite of toast. I take a bite of toast. It is crunchy and delicious. It is crunchy and delicious. I drink a glass of milk. I drink a glass of milk. I feel happy. I feel happy. Breakfast is easy and fun. Breakfast is easy and fun. Now I prepare lunch. Now I prepare lunch. I steam the vegetables. I steam the vegetables. I crush the garlic. I crush the garlic. I slice the cucumber. I slice the cucumber. I knead the dough. I knead the dough. I boil pasta. I boil pasta. I stir the sauce. I stir the sauce. I fry chicken. I fry chicken. I season the food. I season the food. I grate cheese. I grate cheese. I clean the dishes. I clean the dishes. I put the plate, fork, and knife in the sink. I put the plate, fork, and knife in the sink. I wash them with water and soap. I wash them with water and soap. I dry the dishes. I dry the dishes. I put them away. I put them away. I like a clean kitchen. I like a clean kitchen.